Is there a reason why?
Yeah, you just can't ride four-wheelers in Stone Mountain Park without a helmet.
Actually, the guy told me I could. The worker here.
What guy?
In one of them buggies, in one of the side-by-sides.
Like
he told me I could, yeah.
Okay, that is incorrect. You can't ride four-wheelers. These are state roads, just like any road in the state of Georgia.
Well, I wasn't really riding on the road. I was riding on the sidewalk and on the trail.
You can't ride four-wheelers on the sidewalk.
Is there paperwork?
Yeah, we can use paperwork. I can get my ticket book. I'll be right back. You got your driver's license on you?
Is there any probable cause for me to?
Probable cause, yeah.
You're riding a four-wheeler on the sidewalk and on the road.
Let me get you.
No, but I mean, I put it away.
Did you?
It's right there.
Yeah, I'm about to load it up.
Right, look, do you have a trailer?
No, it's my truck.
It's in your is that your truck? Where's your truck?
Do I have to tell you which my truck? I just told you I'm about to put it away. I came back to where I'm fishing.
Okay. Well, I'm asking you to load it back in your truck.
Yeah.
And then you can.
If I don't ride it, then there's no reason for y'all to get my driver's license.
Obviously, listen, I'm going to let you ride it. How are you?
All right, guys, welcome back. Today, we're diving straight into the chaos of law enforcement overreach and tyranny. Watch closely as this man refuses to hand over his ID and exposes the tricks these tyrant cops try to pull. From the start, he's calm, but sharp, knowing exactly how to handle their harassment. The police attempt to intimidate him with standard questions about riding four-wheelers in the park, claiming it's against the law. But he quickly points out the misinformation and stands his ground. This isn't just about a four-wheeler. It's about standing up against arbitrary authority. All right, guys, notice how he keeps his cool, challenges them on their claims, and refuses to give in unlawful demands while the officers scramble to maintain control.
Okay. I'm obviously going to let you ride it from there to wherever you parked. One of these, I'm guessing, is your truck.
No, you're not going to let me. I'm gonna.
Okay, yes.
You're not going to let me.
You can't legally ride it in the park.
And I said, okay. I told the police I was going to put it up. And she let me know that I couldn't ride it, so I came straight back.
Okay.
You found me where I'm at. So can y'all guys go ahead and move along?
Well,
I don't know why somebody called y'all and said I was driving recklessly through the trail, and I was not.
We keep getting calls on it. That's why we're here. I'm not.
And then go talk to them. Don't come talk to me.
You're the one that's breaking.
Go talk to them. They called. Okay. They're the one with the worries. I'm not the one with the worries.
You're the one that keeps.
Go find them. Go find them and talk to them. They're the ones that called. Who called, sir?
I don't know who.
Then go find them. I don't have no problem. I didn't call you guys, so why would you guys come to me?
You are the problem. We're asking that you don't.
I solved the problem. The officer said I couldn't. I came in trying to put it up.
All right. So you're gonna put it up?
What is he doing?
Are you gonna put it up? So you done riding it?
I didn't. I just said that.
Okay. Well then, put it up.
Why do I have to put it up when you're here?
Because you're the one riding it illegally. We keep getting calls and complaints.
I'm not even gonna turn on anymore. I can push it to where I'm gonna load it.
Okay.
There's no reason for you to check my stuff.
Now, check this out. Things escalate. The cops continue to push for his ID and vehicle information, but he masterfully redirects their aggression. He's calm, collected, and methodical, asking the officers to resolve the calls instead of hassling him. They insist he must comply, citing complaints, but he shuts them down with logic and rights awareness. All right, guys, this is the perfect example of not letting fear or intimidation win. Every question the officers ask is met with clarity. Every demand countered with facts. Watch as he exposes the absurdity of their authority. He's ready to cooperate, but only under lawful, reasonable conditions. This is a man asserting his rights in real time, showing everyone that you don't have to bow down to every badge or uniform.
Anyways, that's probably...
I
don't care what you're looking at. I said you couldn't. You didn't ask me. That's a search. That's a search right there.
This is the United States of America.
Yeah, exactly, right? So you're violating my rights when you asking me for an ID.
Where's your truck at?
He's gonna load it.
I'm not asking you.
Well, go get your truck.
I'm not telling you.
Load it up.
You're not telling me what to do, sir.
I just did.
I can go ahead and leave the park as soon as y'all leave.
That's a good idea.
Yeah, as soon as y'all leave. Am I free to go?
Yeah.
I'm free to stay.
Go get your truck, load it up.
I'm free to stay then, right?
What's that?
I'm free to stay, right?
Well,
if I'm free to go,
you're about to get ejected from the park.
You can do whatever you want, sir.
I'm not. I'll do what needs to be done.
Oh,
But what you're going to do is, like you said, you're free
okay.
to
I'm done
leave.
talking.
Go get your materials.
free
Go
to
get
leave.
your truck.
Free to
put
stay,
your-
right?
Put your dirt
You're
bike
free to
in
stay
it or
as long
whatever
as
it
you're not
is.
riding a four-wheeler.
Am I free to leave?
Yeah,
I'm free to stay.
You are free to stay.
Y'all can
As
go
long as
ahead
you're
and
not
go.
riding a
Y'all can go
four-wheeler.
ahead and go, sir. Thank you very much.
Okay, so you're going to go get
Have
your
a
four-wheel
wonderful
and put it in
day.
the truck?
Have a wonderful day, sir.
I hope you have a great day too, but go get
All right.
your four-wheel and put it in the truck. We're going to make sure this is taken care of.
What's your
before we
name
leave.
and your badge number, sir?
My badge number is 117, Mark.
Don't get in my face like that.
Oh, I just want to make sure you heard it.
You're really close.
So where's your truck at?
Hold on, guys. The tension is real here. The cops attempt to seize control by ordering him to put the four-wheeler away. But he asserts his property rights like a pro, refusing to be bullied or coerced. Notice how he remains respectful but firm, keeping the upper hand by communicating clearly and consistently. He highlights that without probable cause, their demands are unlawful. The officers try to manipulate the situation, questioning him repeatedly about his vehicle, but he stays unshaken, staying on point. I'm going to put away. No need for your interference. This segment is key for viewers. Watch closely as he balances compliance with assertiveness, teaching everyone how to navigate encounters with authority without giving away rights.
Hey, you got my keys.
Right. Where's your truck at?
Can I have
That's
my
to keep
keys?
you from riding it off.
That's my property. You got my property now?
Yeah. Where's your truck at?
Can you have a business card?
No, I don't have.
No,
a business
you got a
card.
business
You got
card?
your truck.
You do? Can I get
Yeah.
one? Thank you
Where's
so
your
much,
truck
sir.
at, bud? We're trying to make this easy and simple. All you got to do is
I told her I'm gonna put it up.
Okay, well,
I came to where I'm parked.
Where is your truck?
Why? I don't need to answer your questions.
Take your key, put it in there. Where's your
Don't
truck?
tell me
But
what
you
to do.
can't-
Just tell me
listen,
give my property,
Listen
sir.
to me. Here's your key. Take it and put
Look,
it in there.
have my
put it
property.
in your truck. Okay?
Without any consent or him confiscating my property, he took my keys off
I'm
my
giving you the
property.
benefit of the doubt because I was going to
Listen,
check it see if
sir.
it was stolen. Okay, if you want to continue to
Stolen.
push this effort, if you want to continue to push this, you can make it worse
Go
on
run
yourself.
it to-
We're
run
trying
the
to be
bin.
nice.
Run
We're
the
saying
bin.
you can go on your way.
Run the
All you
bin.
have to do
Go ahead and run the
is
bin.
go get that thing and put it in your truck.
Run the bin if you think it's
And don't
stolen.
ride
Do
it
your
on the
job
road
then.
anymore.
Don't come bother
Can
me.
you do that?
Don't bother me.
Can you do
Run your
that?
tag.
Listen.
I already said. I don't know why. Don't talk to
Yeah,
them.
they're
Don't talk
together,
to
I
them.
think so.
Don't talk to them.
That's all you got to do. That's all we're asking.
You can.
I said I told.
All right, things get really intense now. The officers try to corner him, demanding badge numbers and business cards while pushing him to act faster. But our man remains in control, calling out the unnecessary pressure and making sure his property and rights are protected. He stays calm, even when they push for escalation, showing the power of knowledge and preparation. Every interaction demonstrates the critical importance of knowing your rights, staying respectful but firm, and never letting intimidation dictate your choices. Aggressive cops meet an unflappable citizen, and the lesson is crystal clear. Awareness and confidence are your best defense. Keep an eye on the subtle tactics they use, and how he dismantles them one by one.
Told her I'm gonna put it up.
Okay, we'll go put it
What
up.
did I say, ma'am?
You said you would put it up.
All right,
It's not
man.
up yet. Where are you parked?
Right here.
Okay, go ahead and put it up.
All right, I'll put it up whenever I leave. Whenever y'all leave.
Yes.
Look,
That's
let's
all he
just-
has to do.
I don't
We're
have.
trying to be
I won't
simple.
ride it no more. I won't turn it on no more. I
That's
promise
it.
you. Like
That's
I told
it.
her.
You got it.
All right, you got it.
Perfect.
Thank you guys.
Perfect.
Thank you
Problem
guys.
Thank you.
Alright.
Thank you
All right,
guys.
Gonna back up?
Just don't
Go
let
ahead.
any more put it in your truck. You'll be good to go.
Sir,
okay?
what's your name and your badge number? Name and badge number?
156.
156. What's your name?
All right.
Mac?
Beck.
Beck.
B-E-C-K.
You got a business card?
Nah,
We don't
gave
have
you one
business
that's the
cards.
same.
You don't have a business card? How come he has one?
Because
You should all have one.
It's a universal one. It has our
Yeah.
address and our number.
Fuck. This is not yours? Yeah, this is him. This is
All you
David
gotta do-
Hill. He got
all you
one.
gotta do, don't ride it on the streets anymore.
You didn't
Don't
tell
ride
me
it on
what
the
to do,
road
man.
anymore.
You done?
Go get it. put it
Yeah.
in your truck,
Yeah, whatever.
Take off.
Yeah, okay, cool.
You put it away? You good?
All right, whenever y'all leave.
Adios. Take off, man.
Bye.
You're good.
Bye. See you later.
See ya.
Bye.
You're not walking away.
You aren't either.
Hey, you got a YouTube channel?
No.
Wait, what's your YouTube channel? Mark. What is it?
Let him put his stuff away. You gonna put it away,
Go
right?
ahead,
You're
man.
good?
Go ahead.
Let him put his stuff away.
We're trying to talk to you, man. We're trying to make
We're
it
staying
easy.
out of your
on you.
way.
And if I did it, look, the simple way is If the simple way is, if I tell you I'm gonna put it away, and then you see me writing it again, then you can act about it. You can do whatever. You can write me a ticket, take me to jail, whatever you want. But come on.
But look. No,
Bro, look, nothing, man. Go ahead and go,
she
man.
already talked to you
Thank you
one
so
time.
much, sir.
She talked to
I'm
you
not
one
talking
time,
to you,
told
sir.
put
Thank
it
you
up,
so
you're
much.
still doing it.
Didn't I tell you I was gonna come and put it up?
You did.
So
But
why
we
you
had more
what?
calls
So
since
you
then. Listen to it, sir. We had more calls since then.
you go
of
find
you driving
them. I don't
down
have a. I didn't call you.
Okay, well look, this is over now. Put the thing up like I asked you to before, and we're
You
done.
ain't asking me
We're
to.
done.
You ain't asking me to do nothing.
We're done. I did ask you to put it up. Okay, so we're done here. Where's
All right. Bye, guys.
We're gonna leave, and then you can.
Bye, guys. Have a good one.
Go get your truck.
All right, guys. Bye. Have a good one. All right.
Finally, as this confrontation winds down, our guy walks away victorious. The officers, frustrated and unable to enforce unlawful demands, are left watching as he secures his property and leaves on his terms. All right, guys, this is a masterclass in handling overreach, knowing when to comply, when to push back, and when to disengage. The video ends with a crucial reminder. Police often fixate on IDs or minor violations to assert control, but understanding your rights gives you the power to stay safe and in charge. Remember to support the channel, subscribe, like, and always record your encounters. This is more than just a four-wheeler story. It's a lesson in courage, knowledge, and standing up against abuse authority.